Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to prepare a comparative income statement. In my previous lecture, I taught you how to prepare a comparative balance sheet, and in this lecture we will learn how to prepare a comparative income statement. Before learning to prepare the comparative income statement, first of all, we should learn what is the format of the income statement of a company. Income statement means profit and loss account of a company. Students, we start the income statement with the revenue from operation, and second one is other income. Then we total it, we will get the total income. What is the revenue from operation? Revenue from operation means a sale. And other incomes means rent received, dividend received, commission received, any other type of income will come under this head, other income. Now we will less the expenses. Which type of expenses? Like purchase of stock in trade, changes in inventory of stock in trade, changes means we will take the difference of the opening and closing stock here. If your closing stock is more than the opening stock, then you will take this difference in the negative. And if your closing stock is less than opening stock, then you will take this difference in the positive. Next is employees benefit expenses, depreciation, finance cost, and other expenses. These are different types of expenses which you will show in your income statement. Then you will total of these expenses, then you will get a total expenses. Now deduct the total expenses from the total income. You will get a profit before tax. Now less tax, provision for taxes, then you will get a profit after tax. So students, I hope now you will get that how to prepare the income statement of a company. Now we will learn how to prepare the comparative income statement of a company with the help of a problem. Now in your sixth question, comparative statement of profit and loss account, from the following information, prepare the comparative statement of profit and loss account of Vimar Limited. What type of information is given? Revenue from operation is given for 2 years of 2017 and 2018. Cost of revenue from operation is a given. Indirect expenses is a given, and tax rate is a given. Now with the help of this information, we will learn how to prepare the comparative statement of profit and loss account. First of all, the format of comparative income statement. Particulars. Then we will take a figures of 2017, figures of 2018, changes, percentage changes. So we will start with the revenue from operation. Revenue from operation of 2017 is 20 lakh and 2018 is 24 lakh. So the change is 4 lakh and the percentage change is 4 lakh divided by 20 lakh multiplied by 100 is a 25%. Four lakh divided by 20 lakh. Sorry, it's not a 25, it's a 20%. 20%. Next is, we don't have given any other income in this question, so we will write other income. Nothing is a given. So the total income is the same, 20 lakh, 24 lakh, 4 lakh and 20%, which is a percentage change. Now less expenses. In this question, the not a purchase of stock in trade is given and also not a change in the stock in trade is given, but the cost of revenue from operation is a given. So we will take a cost of revenue from operation. What is this? This is a cost of goods sold. Cost of revenue from operation. 2017 it is 18 lakh and 2018 it is a 10 lakh and the change is negative 8 lakh because we deduct the 18 lakh from 10 lakh, we will get a negative, which is a 8 lakh. And the percentage of this change, the percentage change is 44.44%. Next is indirect expenses are given. Which is a 50,000 of 2017 and 80,000 of 2018. Difference is of 30,000 and the percentage change is 30,000 divided by 50,000 multiplied by 100, which is a 60%. So your total expenses is 18,50,000 10,80,000 and the difference is in negative, which is 7,70,000 and the percentage change is 41.621%. Now deduct the total expenses from the total income. You will get a profit before tax. Here you will get 18,50,000 out of 20 lakh you will get a 1,50,000 and 10,80,000 out of 20 lakh you will get a 20,000, 13,20,000 and the difference is 11,70,000 positive and the percentage change is 11,70,000 divided by 1,50,000 multiplied by 100 is 780%. Now less tax. Provision for tax is the 40%. Tax rate is of 40%. So 40% Where you apply? You will apply this 40% on this profit before tax. 1,50,000 multiply by 40%. 60,000 and 13 lakh 20,000 multiply by 40%, 5,28,000, and difference is of 5,28,000 and 60,000 is 4 lakh 72,000. Sorry, I have mistaken. Here you will get a not 4,72,000. You will get a 4,68,000. And the percentage change is same 780%. Now deduct the tax from profits. You will get profit after tax. Here you will get 90,000 and 13,20,000 minus 5,28,000 is 7,92,000 and difference is 7,02,000 and the percentage change is the same 780%. So students, I hope you will learn how to prepare a comparative income statement. It is the same like a comparative balance sheet, but the format is just a different of the balance sheet and income statement. Other things remain the same. Thank you.